Wondering how the Sarnia real estate market performed in September 2025? Well, stay tuned. We're breaking down the numbers, the neighborhood trends, and what it all means for your next move. I'm Sean Ryan of Blue Coast Realty and your local real estate expert here in Sarnia-Lambton. Whether you're buying, selling, or just watching the market, our monthly updates deliver the latest insights so you can make confident decisions. So let's dive into what happened in September 2025. We saw a total of 382 new listings, and that's about a 3% increase from last year. Sales were up too, though, hitting around 153 sold, which was also around a 3% increase jump compared to September 2024. Average sale price landed at $515,000, marking a slightly increase of just over a 0.25% year over year. Meanwhile, the median sale price rose by over 2%, sitting around $485,000, a sign of consistent demand and market stability overall. Sales volume for the month came in strong at $77.1 million, and that's a 7% increase over last year. So things are looking really great year over year. We're seeing more and more listings come on the market, but we're seeing more and more sales as well. So that's awesome. So let's look at some property types. Bungalows continue to lead the pack here in Sarnia-Lambton. They normally do. 49 sold with an average sale price of $530,000 for bungalows, followed by two-story homes and raised ranches, both averaging around $550,000. And let's look at some neighborhood highlights too. So some standout areas we saw last month was Brights Grove with 13 sales and an average sale price of $418,000. Lambton Shores came in pretty strong last month with 54 homes sold, averaging $580,000. And well, Point Edward, 752 was the average price in Point Edward last month. So some good standout neighborhoods. And Central Sarnia, well, there's 137 homes and change hands with an average sale price of $562,000. So some really strong sales in those different areas. Buyer insights, if you're in the market to buy, now is a great time. Inventory has risen slightly with over 500 active listings, offering more selection, but homes between that 400,000 and 600,000 range are selling quickly. So you want to act fast on those price ranges, especially, you want to get that mortgage pre-approval is still really key when you're shopping, and especially in those active price range. Seller takeaways. Sellers, the fall market is holding strong. Homes that are well maintained and priced right, well, they're moving pretty fast, especially in high demand areas. And this market's been great for those sellers that are selling a home in that, let's say, 600 and under price range and moving up into a different option, especially in the price ranges that are 600 plus, 800 to a million. They're having a lot of options, and they can also have a lot of chance to negotiate some great terms. So really enhance your listing with, pro photography, maybe look at staging. You got to stand out a bit more in this market than you normally would. So let's look at the outlook for fall right now. We're expecting a pretty stable fall market with consistently activity. If interest rates remain steady, because I think they will, or even ease a little bit, it might add for more affordability, and that could boost more buyer demand heading into the winter. For tailored advice and the latest market insights, reach out to Blue Coast Realty today. And whether you're making a move or simply just watching the trends, we're here to help you navigate the Sarnia-Lambton real estate market with confidence. And welcome home to the